It's now 6:32 and we're less than 2 weeks away from the start of the new school year. Today, we're learning about what new schools your children may be attending this year and which one of those new schools may still be under construction. It's down to the last minute, isn't it? News Channel 5's Katie Johnson is live from Boynton Beach with details on where these new schools are located. Katie, good morning.
Good morning, Roxanne. Construction is almost complete here at Galaxy Elementary, where kids will be in brand new classrooms this school year. In the Treasure Coast, there are some new additions as well. In St. Lucie County, a new charter school is opening its doors. The classrooms at Renaissance Charter School at Tradition will house kids from kindergarten to 6th grade. It's located in Port St. Lucie. No other new schools in the Treasure Coast, but Fellsmere Elementary in Indian River County has some last-minute construction underway. Martin County officials say there are new renovations underway as well. We reached out to Okeechobee officials but didn't hear back from them. Now here in Palm Beach County, Galaxy and Gove Elementaries are the newest schools here in this district. We're live in Boynton Beach. Katie Johnson, WPTV News Channel 5.